64 birthdays. That is why we're gathered here today. A very merry birthday to you, to me. A very merry birthday to you, Oh, me. It's great to dream to someone, and I guess that you will do. A very merry birthday to you. A very merry birthday to us, to us. A very merry birthday to us, to us. Eternal traditions would be unanimous. A very merry birthday to us.
I'm sure that some of our invited guests are celebrating a birthday today. How many of you are celebrating an birthday?
Let's all sing to them.